Concordium is now listed on Kucoin along with other top cryptocurrencies. This had led to the price spike of Concordium coin by 300%. Concordium is a public permissionless layer 1 blockchain with leadership from Volvo, IKEA, Credit Suisse, and more. To date, it has raised €52 million and partnered with Geely, a global automaker and co-proprietor of Volvo Cars, Volvo AB, and Daimler. Concordium implants encrypted ID into each on-chain transaction, making it part of ID credentials available to smart contracts, whilst preserving privacy. Yet, for what reason does ID considerably matter? In the following decade, each person and company will involve decentralized services to check almost everything on the blockchain. Present-day pioneers are attempting to build for this mass adoption of Web3, nonetheless, they need trust to make everything work. Welcome viewers to my channel, please subscribe, like my video and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update. Whether we are online dating, gaming, or trading, we want to know who the other person is. With a built-in ID layer, people and companies will have the option to check each other in confidence, while remaining private, to conduct safe transactions on the first blockchain that will unlock a global, multi-trillion-dollar economy. By leveraging zero-knowledge proofs, Concordium can provide clients complete privacy while utilizing the blockchain, and guarantee accountability. With a novel finality layer, Concordium makes it impossible for rollbacks to happen. The platform's native coin, CCD, is utilized for paying transaction expenses, staking, rewards for hub operators, and as a collateral/settlement vehicle for Concordium's DeFi landscape. The team consists of key leadership with significant experience that have both built and worked at probably the largest companies in the banking, finance, and crypto industry, and are presently scaling the chain to their broad organization of the world's greatest enterprises. How to purchase Concordium? Some cryptocurrencies are harder to obtain than others. Concordium is one of them. It's not available on the Coinbase app or Coinbase wallet. However, you can definitely relax, we've provided a few clues to help you figure out how to purchase Concordium that functions for you. Trading 1. Check CoinMarketCap to see where you can purchase Concordium and with which currencies for each cryptocurrency. CoinMarketCap provides a list of purchasing options, also known as market pairs. Go to CoinMarketCap and search for Concordium. Tap on the button labeled Market near the price chart. In this view, you will see a complete list of places you can purchase Concordium as well as the currencies you can use to obtain it. Under pairs you'll see the shorthand for Concordium, CCD, plus a second currency. The second currency is what you can use to purchase Concordium. Assuming that you'd like to purchase CCD with the US dollar, look for CCD/USD. Phone 2. Pick a platform to make your purchase. Various platforms have various levels of security, reliability, and liquidity. Prior to creating an account, do your research. Checkmark 3. Make the purchase on your chosen platform. Each platform has an alternate way of getting things done. A few platforms are exceptionally easy to utilize, others not really. Generally speaking, purchasing crypto with a fiat currency like the US dollar will be easier than purchasing it with another crypto. In the event that you really do have to purchase Concordium with another crypto, you'll have to initially create a crypto wallet that supports Concordium. Then you'll purchase the main currency and use it to purchase Concordium on the platform you chose. Assuming that you stall out, most platforms provide guides. In any case, in the event that they don't, there is a vibrant community of crypto enthusiasts that have likely posted guides on YouTube, Twitter, and elsewhere. If you're looking for Concordium price predictions/forecast for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and want to know where the prices of Concordium, CCD, will go from here on out? We will analyze the past prices of Concordium, CCD, and we'll find out what experts are saying about its future price actions. Please keep that as a main priority. You really want to take this prediction and each and every prediction with the aim that this is only the idea of some market experts/analysts. Also, predicting something so perfect is completely impossible. However, we will make an honest effort. Let's start. Concordium past price analysis. According to the latest data gathered, the current price of Concordium is $0.022 and CCD is currently ranked # in the whole crypto ecosystem.